Hey guys, what's up? My name is Katie Danger and I'm the President and CEO of Red H Nutrition. And I am here to share a revolutionary and awesome new way that you can target your weaknesses, improve your strengths, and improve that very foundation that makes up your athletic abilities, your prowess, and your expectations for improvement. That system is called the 10-factor targeted supplementation system. And the 10-factor approach, what it does is it intertwines the 10 general physical skills, which are strength, power, speed, endurance, stamina, coordination, balance, agility, accuracy, and flexibility. So our 10-factor approach is essentially these 10 general physical skills that intertwine with targeted supplementation, so you know how to target your weaknesses, how to improve your strengths, and how to have a consistent targeted approach to improvement each and every single time that you decide to supplement. If you've ever wondered how you should supplement, if you've ever wondered what supplement you should be taking to get the results you want, here is the perfect solution. This is for you. The 10-factor targeted supplement approach will make things easy for you so you know what to take, when to take it, what's clean, and what's safe. And here's the cool thing. You don't have to take everything under the sun. You don't have to go into your local supplement store and take everything off the shelf and, kind of hope and pray, keep your fingers crossed that something works to get you where you want to go. The 10-factor approach from Red H Nutrition takes you from point A to point B every single time on a very explicit path. And we do that through targeted supplementation. I got something really cool I want to give to you. It'll make that targeted supplementation idea come very clear. There's a fill-in email bar right below this video. What I want you to do is put your email in there. I'm going to send you our free 10-factor quick reference supplement card. And what this card is going to give you, it's going to break down all the 10 factors and the easiest supplements that you can obtain for results that you can put into action today, tomorrow, your very next workout. So that's what I want to give you today. I want to give you that quick reference card, so no matter what, whether Red H Nutrition is your choice today, tomorrow, or in the future, whatever supplements you're taking now, you can really optimize that plan today with that quick reference card and using the 10-factor targeted supplementation approach. So it's a pleasure to have talked to you guys. Take care. If you have any questions, send me an email, katie@redhnutrition.com. Follow us on social media @redhnutrition. We'll talk later.